Could a simple fingertip scan really protect your most valuable belongings, or this is just an overhyped gadget? Today we are testing this biometric fingertip safe, which is a high-tech security box with a top-notch protection and 4 different unlocking methods, which I think that it's nice. From biometric access to anti-pry protection, this thing claims to be unbreakable. Plus, it comes with an alarm system that it will trigger when someone tries to break in. But does it really live up to the hype? Does it really withstand tampering? And most important of all, is it really worth your money? Well, stick around, let's find out. Let's start with the build quality. This safe is made from solid alloy steel and the door panel is 3mm thick, making it resistant to drilling and high temperatures. Plus, it features precision laser cutting to eliminate weak points that could be pried open. Basically, breaking into this thing won't be easy. Inside, we got 3.2 cubic feet of storage, plenty of space for documents, jewelry, or even small firearm. It has some adjustable shelves which gives you flexibility so you can organize things the way you want. And there's a nice touch. The interior is lined with leather to protect your valuable from scratches. A small but premium detail. Another great feature, built-in LED lights. Whether it's day or night, you won't be fumbling in the dark trying to grab what you need. And for security, the safe has 4 strong latches to keep the door strictly tight. And in case that you are wondering, yes, it is easy to install as it comes with some pre-drilled holes in the back of the safe. As you can see right here, we have 2 pre-drilled holes and under it, okay? So that way we can install it upon a wall, on a shelf, in a bookshelf, or directly into the floor. Alright, let's talk about security. This safe offers different ways to unlock it, giving you plenty of options to choose which one suits you best. First up, we have the biometric fingertip scanner, which is the most high-tech option to open the safe. It can store up to 100 fingertips and it opens just in 0.5 seconds. Impressive, right? But, well, let's test it out. Now, there's a numeric keypad, which is the most traditional way to unlock a safe. You can set up a passcode and it will work just as fine as any kind of regular digital safe. And if you don't want to use your fingertip, this is a slick backup way. Just like that, also, we can open it up. But what if you forget the passcode? Well, you don't have to worry, as it comes with 2 keys that you can use if you forget your passcode or the fingertip doesn't read you. Which I think that it's nice, but you just have to make sure to take them with you or store them in somewhere safe. Now, here's where it gets interesting. It has a dual authentication mode, meaning that you can set it up so that you need your passcode and your fingertip to open it up, which adds an extra layer of security and ensuring that no one without your authorization is gonna open up your safe. But most importantly, what about breaking attempts? Well, this safe comes with an alarm system that will go on when the fingertip reader gets wrong 5 times, or if someone enters the passcode wrong 3 times, and it will set off an alarm system that will go on for about 20 seconds or until someone with the right credentials checks it out, okay? Well, let's put out a test. I'm gonna enter a wrong code and let's test it out. As you can see. So, is it burglar-proof? Well, no safe is completely unbreakable, but with its sturdy steel build, biometric security, and alarm system, this one definitely is tough to crack. Thieves will need serious tools and a lot of time to get through it, something they usually don't have. So, shall you get it? If you want a great protection at a great price. I think it's a great buy. You just have to make sure to mount it up correctly and use all the different security features that comes included. So overall, I think that it's really, really nice and I will really recommend it.